Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable live caption on Google Chrome. The live captions feature in Chrome automatically transcribes audio. Here is the handy feature works.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy.
To turn on your computer, open Chrome. At the top right, click on three-dot menu bar and Settings. At the bottom of the Settings page, click Accessibility and enable Live Caption. And play any music on Chrome to get this menu icon here. The live caption will pop up with a new pop-up window.
Right to fight to die on. And this is my game to play to claim a brand new name. Oh, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw.
This is just for now. If you have any questions about this, you can feel free to comment down below and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.
Over where am I scared? Where am I at? I gotta make it in this life.